This is a bag of frozen coconut strips. Let's see how we make coconut milk from this. You have to put it all in your blender, and this is the trick. Use very warm water to blend it. Pulse and then you set it to blend. Blend until very fine, and then you strain as is demonstrated there. You pour and strain. Just use your hand to press it, and then you're gonna squeeze out the rest. Gonna squeeze and repeat the process until done. It's not easy making coconut milk, and in my first video I showed you how to extract the flesh from the coconut shell, and then I showed you how to cut it up into the strips that we're now using, and we put that to freeze, and we're now showing you how to extract the coconut milk from that frozen strips. So then always shake out the blender with a little bit of water and put the trash in another container. Put the water that you put in the blender to shake it out and put it in that trash, and you go ahead again and you squeeze, and that's the juice that we got from that coconut pulp or trash. And you can use that that's sort of a diluted coconut milk, and you can use it to make your coconut rice, or you can just add it to the cream that you blended before if you so desire. That is up to you. Well, thank you all for watching, and welcome to my new subscribers and to all those who continue to support. Thank you for watching.